All right, we are assembling the Retro Romance mini journal that goes with the folio. So this all comes with the kit. This there comes with the cover that you print front and back, and then some journal pages. But you could always add in, you know, your own sheets, like whatever you wanted to, and add that into this. So I've already clearly printed these, folded them, trimmed them, and they're going to go over to the side while we work on the cover. And so I've designed this kind of plain so that you can get a little creative with it if you want to. If you don't want to, you could always use one of the extra covers from the folio cover that you could put on here, but I really thought this image would be fun to use to make a mini journal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 of the strips, again, from the kit, and one's going to go on the front, one's going to go on the inside, and then I'm going to pull some stuff from my stash. And I've got some ribbon and some pink embroidery thread to do a pamphlet stitch on it. So I've got over here on the side off screen some needles and scissors and such. And then I had some underwear lace that I will never use in my stash. And I was like, how cute would that be? Because it's so cute and delicate to use to attach it to the folio. So those are the things you'll need if you want to do it this way. And we're going to start with the cover. So I have folded these in half already. And what we're going to do is glue this here with our trusty glue stick. Just to make sure I get that right. Go. Very nice. And then on the inside, this one. Except that I did not do that right. Try that again. There we go. All right, and then inside piece. All right. And then next I want to put on some ribbon. So I cut 2 pieces. There we go. Pretty. All right. Now, I did pick out some things before I started. How cute is that? That's going to go so cute inside the folio. Okay. Next, we're just going to put this in here. All right, so we're just going to use a pamphlet stitch. Find the middle. Oh, there we go. Find a clip here. Nice. All right. in the booyah. All right. And that is it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.